Hey guys, it's Beauty Junkie coming to you today with a video on how I achieve my effortless, heat-free curls on my bundles, every single one I wear. And this will be featuring my Maven hair. I personally sell it. Link is down below. This is the Brazilian loose wave in a 24, 22, and a 18. So as you can see here, I have a head full of purple flexi rods. I swear by flexi rods. And if you look at my leave out, closely, you'll see that I have 2 pin curls on each side, and that's just how I do it. I don't like the real tight curl at the root. I like it to be real loose and flowy. So as you can see, I roll all my flexi rods to the back, and I do my leave out as a regular pin curl. That way it can fall the way that I like it. It's bouncy, it's shiny, it's convenient, it is literally effortless. Every night I wear my hair curly, I flexi rod it and I take it down in the morning, and voila, it is perfect. So I swear by flexi rods. I don't really have the time and the convenience to always have to worry about, I don't have time to curl my hair. I have to go to work. I have to do this. I have to do that. I'm really busy. So this gives me the convenience that I need. Okay, so I just stopped to really show you guys what it looks like. This is just a sneak peek. Flexi rods have been out for so long. I didn't want to do a whole flexi rod tutorial. I believe I already have one. So this is just a sneak peek of how the hair works for me, how I curl it, how it straightens. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, and highly recommend it. 3 bundles or more are 25% off, like I said. So as you can see, I just take my comb, I brush down my leave out, I finger comb my curls, and it is perfect. I swear by this. Like, ladies, if you have to curl your hair, if you get your hair done at the salon and you want it to stay that way, just flexi rod your hair. It is amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I love, love, love this hairstyle. This is a U-part unit made by me. This is hair by me. So thank you guys so much. And if you're interested in anything or need to know any more, please comment down below. Love you so much. Bye-bye.